Hello, this is Harry Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your subscription of Mercado Libre level 6. If you are living in Latin America and if you activate level 6 of Mercado Libre to watch Star Plus and Disney Plus. So how you can cancel this level 6? Go to your Mercado Libre. Here we go. So here we go, here we are. Click the button where you have your account. Here your name appear, compares, preguntas, cupones, estamos, subscription. You have to come to subscription. Level 6 con Disney Plus standard con anuncios that is activated. Hit this one. So you don't see here how you can cancel. Very hidden things you have here. At the bottom is cancellation, subscription is there. So at 1st September they will charge me. Before that I want to cancel this one. 4,000 they're charging at the moment instead of 10,000. It's a good subscription I would say, but I don't want any more at the moment. I hit cancelar subscription. Here we go. So they give me different other option. All these benefits they are telling me I have. I don't want any more. I hit continue para cancelar. Continuar para cancelar. I hit this one. Anything you like you want to put. Yeah, this one. After that, cancelar subscription is done. Here you see level 6 cancelado. Cancelaste tu subscription set level 6. Okay, this is done. So I go one more time here. I hit subscription button. Cancelada Disney 6 or Star Plus, that is. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.